sometimes people use the panya route and those illegal routes because they do not understand. And sometimes such kind of activities, they are not done in the open. So I will be lying to you that I know the extent, but we know it is there. Even them, you've heard them saying that they prefer going the panya route way. But we want to tell them, come back, use the normal route. If you are doing illegal trade, we will facilitate that illegal trade.
KRA magekaga micemanio kwa uingi nigetha magerie guthomithia andu na ni twamenya kwi mirigo etagirire kurihirwo ta nyanya kireti imwe tondu na atumia ingi moraga na nyanya na boda boda magiciria no nginya marihe thamaki cia iria ciumaga iria-ini andu meciragio na kilo 10 no nginya urihire makaremwo ni kuingira boda na ni twerewa ati ona ingiuka ndierethe boda menya kiria kiagirire kurihwo ni ndigeraga ho na ni ndirihaga kaingi.